Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world, it's the world of Wayne. It's Sunday, so we've got another Welcome to the Cave. Okay, we've got two submissions today, and the first one, straight away, is going to blow you away. There is something about Andrew Browning's cave that's going to appeal to everyone, and I guarantee he's got something on there that's going to actually just prick your interest. To be honest with you, for me, you know it's going to be the black hole figurines, but as soon as Mrs. World of Wayne saw the Medusa head and the Bubo from Clash of the Titans, she lost it. I'll tell you that now, Andrew. Thank you for sharing this cave, because you've got so many amazing things in there, pretty much from the genre that I believe that we're both sharing from the 70s and the 80s, but absolutely amazing stuff. I really do like your cosplay items at the start as well, which were scratch build, but you're in for a treat, people. Go and check out Andrew Browning's cave.
Okay, welcome to my cave. We have on the left, as you walk in the door, full-size scratch built alien costume on a mannequin at the moment, but is fully wearable. It was built for Halloween. Next to that, we have a scratch built Groot head made from a rolled up foam yoga mat. Quite a bit of Dremel work to get that on there. Sound effects Cyberman head next to that. And down here we've got scratch built rocket head, again fully wearable, made with real fur. Next to that, big fig collection, Star Wars. Down here, got a Lego Speederbike Scout Trooper, and next to that, Lego Tron Light Cycles, which is a personal favourite of mine. And we've got a radio controlled Wally, radio controlled K9, and down in the front there we've got Kip the Robo-Dog, which was scratch built by me from a film called The Humanoid back in the 70s. Probably the best thing from it, actually. Radio controlled Dalek. And perched on the front is a Revel Root Master kit, waiting final touches, as is quite a bit of this room. Up on top we've got some railway scale buildings, just to finish off the top of the cabinet really. Inside the cabinet, 1960s Corgi Chipperfields, along with the later Oxford diecast Chipperfields, and then got a thing about ice cream vans as well in the bottom of the cabinet there. Again, most of those are Oxford diecast. Moving along, on the end we've got Hal. It's a recent kit. I did a sound chip.
Has the mission been completed? You know that I have the greatest enthusiasm for it.
It's got a few
I'm
phrases.
sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Well, okay. Up on the shelf we've got the rare Lindbergh Brachiosaurus kit. That's a recast because they're pretty hard to get hold of and expensive when you do. And I think this is if memory serves, D'Agostini build the T-Rex. Again, massive, about 5 foot long, and down to a smaller kit, master box, good quality kits, all separately built and put in a case, and down onto the workbench. This is what we've got going on here at the moment. We've got Pegasus Hobbies Tarzan waiting the finishing touches. In the background we've got Blue Thunder helicopter, just awaiting a quick clean up, spruce up. And in front of that, an old MPC Black Hole Cygnus, again waiting a slight refresh, bit of a repaint, made from 1970s brittle plastic, so quite delicate. And on top of the bench there we've got my other rebuilt corgis and dinkies, all restored by myself. A little miniature arcade going on up here. They're all fully working examples and fully playable. And on the end of the bench, my spray booth, now showing here, lots of dust and dirt. The other side of the room, display cabinets, Bride of Frankenstein model, and down to 60s, 70s and 80s dinkies and corgis, mostly from films and TV shows. Columbo car there, the Columbo and his dog. And this is, I've started doing this, putting up on the wall. We've got Hasbro Millennium Falcon, awaiting lots of detailing and dirtying down. 1970s Galactica kits. Underneath that we've got the Apollo 11. Don't know if I can get that all in. It's truly massive. Brilliant kit. The 1/350 scale Enterprise. Underneath that we have an Amigrand Firefox kit, along with Pilot, Airfix TARDIS. On the floor, 22-inch Eagle, another kit waiting finishing, and a current build Terminator. Up to the next cabinet. Oh, on top of that cabinet we've got a Medusa. It's got sound and motion with a resin kit of Bubo. And down we've got the MPC Maximilian and Vincent, along with in that back corner there, scratch built humanoid figure in scale, and a resin garage kit of old Bob, all built to the same scale. And coming down we've got the Dragon models Avengers kits, quite fun to build. And down we've got the Mobius fairly recent Batman TV series kits. All nicely detailed. Further down, got the Brendan Fraser movies mummy kit, a nice base, and over the back, Three Stooges kits, a nice detail on those. Last cabinet, we've got Bad Reflections, but we've got Spider-Man figures and Freddy and Hellboy. Across to this side we've got Bionic Man and Oscar Goldman 12-inch figures. Coming down, the 1930s, 1940s serial Buster Crab, Flash Gordon and Ming. Again, these are nice size kits. This side we've got large scale King Kong and lovely detail Arnie, Terminator and Jack Sparrow. Some more figures in there, Star Wars and Star Trek. And lastly we've got on the floor, because we've run out of space, we've got the big figs, Stormtrooper and Darth Vader, along with a large TIE Fighter. That's my cave. Thank you.
Now we have Carl Ashwin's collection and cave for you. Again, loads of brilliant figurines for this, but I impressively love the hood and the Bismarck. When I saw the Bismarck, and I thought, yeah, you're pretty much at the same to me, but then your camera pans up and you see the hood, and that looks absolutely amazing. Now with Carl, I've done the voiceover for this, but what you're hearing me now, I've done after I've done the voiceover, so I knew the hood was here when I'm talking to you now, but as you'll see in this video, I didn't know it was there. But it's a great collection, so thank you for submitting this, Carl. This is your cave. Now obviously the Mustang there, we're building Mustangs at the moment with the Eleanor coming out, the Super Snake and that GT500 looks absolutely brilliant. I do like these cars. I'm guessing they are the 1/8 scale. They look like it, they may be a bit smaller, but there you go, you're building the, they look like the Ecto-1 on top there. I do love looking around all your caves. Look at that, straight away I can see Pirates of the Caribbean in there, and the Back to the Future 2 figurines. Oh, we've got some autographs from the Emperor, Ian McDiarmid, Billy D. Williams. Oh, nice, I love that. What else we got? I can't read that one. Who was that one at the top there? That looked like Peter Mayhew. I don't know if it was or not. I just spotted the Joker there as well. Lovely looking DeLorean. You've done the full thing by the look of it. You've got the hood box and everything. You haven't put it on the tracks, I guess, because you've kept the original tyres rather than change them for the railroad tyres. But there's the Back to the Future figurines. They look good. Indiana Jones. I've seen a couple of those Indiana Jones. That would look brilliant. I am thinking about starting to get some of these figurine collections because they're some of these figurines look good. Look, Churchill there. And a Gygax alien. Nice. With a face hugger. It's the details, you see. Kruger, Michael Myers and Jason. Look, that's what got me from the from a distance. That's the Jack Sparrow. Pulled me in. Wow, look, Platoon. Charlie Sheen there. And Batman, Joker and Spider-Man. 2 DCs and the Marvel in there. Wow, your Falcon's looking great. Look at the weathering on that. That's brilliant. And you got some more autographs behind there. Is that the director, Gary Kurtz, the director of Empire Strikes Back there? I'm just looking at the poster behind, you see. You've got a few autographs on that. That looks pretty cool. David Prowse at the top there. I've met him a few times, David Prowse. Lovely figurines. Oh wow, Anthony Daniels autograph, excellent. Han Solo in carbonite. Where do you get these wonderful toys? Oh, I love Yoda. Yoda's brilliant. And that's the Diego City R2. I can see that straight away, that one. Kylo Ren, Finn and Rey. A lot of Star Wars fans on my channel, isn't there? The Emperor, I love the Emperor, and Moff Tarkin there. That Peter Cushing lookalike is brilliant. Oh wow, and it lights up your Darth Vader there. That looks more like the Darth Vader from Rogue One. I am enjoying your cave, Carl, I have to say. There's your Spitfire you're building at the moment, and shelves for more. You can see a Bismarck there. What's on your top shelf there? There's another ship. Go up. Go up. What was on your top shelf? Don't go down, go up. Was it the hood? Oh, here we go. Wow. It was the hood. Look at that. That is brilliant. I love it. Absolutely brilliant. That Bismarck's going to fill up that shelf. I think you're going to need a bigger space than that. But listen, thank you, Carl. Oh, you've got the same sort of drawers as I've got as well. I really appreciate that, Carl. This was your cave, and I hope you all enjoyed that. And there we go. That's it for another weekend. Now, next weekend, on Saturday, we've got Martin Futter and Sebastian from Devmar Models. On Sunday, we've got Phil Tash and Mark Gerling. I have got a few more submissions. I've got Chris Purdy, Clive Furbank, Chris Campbell, Colin Walker, John Hunter, Norman Cullen. I will start scheduling those for next week. But if you want to submit your cave, all you need to do is upload your cave, preferably in landscape on a phone. Upload it to WeTransfer.com. And then when it's uploaded, it'll ask you where you want to send it, and just send it to wayne@worldofwayne.co.uk, and I'll feature your cave on the channel. And I'll tell you, some of the impressions I've got, things that I want, I'll tell you, my bank balance isn't going to be able to handle this, but I've seen some things here that gives me ideas for my cave, and that's the whole point of this, to share the community together and to see what you've got, because some of these things I didn't even know were available. Anyway, listen, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.